Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create your first invoice. To begin with, head to Invoices under the Sales tab and click on the plus icon to create a new invoice. Select the fields you wish to specify on your invoices. Under Invoice Preferences, you can choose to include discounts and specify whether the discount should be calculated before or after tax. You can also choose to show the shipping charge, adjustments, and salesperson field on your invoices. Let's start by adding the customer for whom you are invoicing. If you have already added this customer in your organization, Zoho Invoice will list them under the drop-down. Or you can add a new customer by clicking on plus new customer button. Next is the invoice number, which can be auto-generated or manually added each time. You can choose one of the default payment terms or simply specify the exact date on which you expect payment simply by selecting the Custom Terms option. Item Details section. Items are nothing but products and services which you sell or offer. Choose the item for which you're invoicing or type in the details of the service which you're offering. If you have already created this item, Zoho Invoice will list them here. You can also add a new item by clicking on plus new item button. If you have unbilled expenses and projects for this customer, use this option shown here to add them to the invoice. Enter the item quantity, rate, and any discounts you want to offer. You can also add any taxes associated to the item. The list of taxes you've created will be available from this drop-down. Add shipping charges and adjustments as per your requirement. Footer section. Add a customer note here if required. This can contain any message or simply a word of thanks. Please note, this will be displayed on the invoice. Check this box if you want to use this content for future transactions as well. Payment options. Zoho Invoice is integrated with 9 major online payment gateways. Integrate with the payment gateway and it will be displayed right here. Also, you can configure the payment gateway using this option, or if you plan to receive offline payments, simply skip this step. You can add your invoice terms and conditions here. Check this box if you want Zoho Invoice to remember this content in order to use it for future transactions. Attach any reference files pertaining to your invoice and send them to your customer. The maximum allowed file size is 5 MB. The default template will already be selected for you. If you wish to change the template for your invoice, click on Change and choose the template. Once this is done, you can save and view the invoice as a draft or send it out directly. Draft invoices can be reviewed and sent out anytime by clicking this email icon. We hope this video will help you to create your first invoice. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@zohoinvoice.com.